Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with for My Daughters. These are the ingredients you'll need to make a spaghetti sauce. So you'll need two two jars of passata, two crushed tomatoes or diced or whole, one tomato juice, one green pepper, about 4 or 5 onions, 3 pieces of celery stalk, mushrooms if you like mushrooms, and so I've added all my tomato juice, whole tomato diced, and 2 passatas in the pot. It's on simmer right now, as well as 2 bay leaf, a quarter tablespoon of sugar, a quarter tablespoon of pepper, and a quarter tablespoon of chili powder, and as well as a quarter tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and a half spoon of chili powder. So we'll get this all chopped up and we'll come back when this is complete. Hi, we're back with cooking for my daughter. So we have the mushrooms, the garlic, the celeries rinsed and washed, green peppers rinsed and washed, mushrooms rinsed and washed, the tomato paste that we made yesterday. That's another video. And now we're just gonna fry these up, caramelize them, and then we're gonna add everything to the pot. Simmer it on medium heat for about 35 minutes, and then 3 hours at minimum, and it'll be ready. I'll show you when it's all done. So everything is now in the pot, so it'll be on minimum for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours,